Assalamu alaikum everyone. Welcome to today's SHIB update for Thursday 23 of January, and it seems like SHIB is already ready to actually fly to the upside all the way to 1377, and that's going to be a price increase of nearly from there to there. If you're entering right now, 35% to the upside. So a big stop loss should be actually be placed down here at, I would even say that give it a little bit of a roll, maybe 9% to the downside, 928. If it does come down to 928, then it's going to be a big problem. You're not going to go to the upside. Now, what you did is you made a big pump to the upside. Yes, yesterday we talked about head and shoulder, but you're getting different patterns today. So this one is way more better, because the reason is, in yesterday's video, it was a 15 minutes time frame, and what we have today is a solid 4-hour time frame. So confirming things on a 4-hour time frame is way more better than confirming things on 15 minutes time frame. That becomes way more easy to predict where we're going to go to the upside. So all you do is you take the measurements from where you came from, which is going to be the top to the bottom. This is where we're going to break out potentially, and you can even be looking for 1425. Yes, 1425 to the upside. I'm just going to leave it down here, and let's say 1350 is a very good number to actually put in. And you can already see, let's dive into the 1-hour time frame, that you really are breaking this level. Do you see that? You are breaking out of that level, and it seems like so far so good. You're actually ready to make the moves to the upside. And that's it for this quick update on SHIB. I'm going to see you in the next one. Allah Hafiz.